A very cheerful and cold morning to all of you. Myself, Madhura. As now, I am living in Wardha, Maharashtra, and whosoever is living here, he or she may experience a cold weather outside. Yes, it's winter, but it's more colder than usual. And it is stated that these waves come from the northeastern part, which are dry and cold. We will not experience a snowfall here because inbuilt that waves are dry. Many people will find it interesting. They enjoy the cold weather. They just go outside, they will have fun, they will enjoy. In Hindi, we probably called it as gulabi gulabi thandi. But it's not like that. Let me tell you that this cold weather outside is very dangerous for our health. Dangerous in the way that the cold waves comes with the higher risk of cardiac arrest, means heart attack. Now you may say that ठंडियों से थोड़ी heart attack होता है, but I will tell you the whole cycle. As it is cold weather outside, your blood vessel get constricts. Due to the constriction of blood vessels, there is frequent urination. Our body is made up of lots of blood vessels, around 60,000 miles of blood vessels. That constriction will lead to frequent urination. And in frequent urination, there will be excretion of lots of liquid from our body. So to balance this, we have to drink lots of water in winter also. It's not like that in summer we have to drink much water and in winter it's not necessary. But in winter also it is necessary to balance the excretion of liquids from our body through urine. And if we will not do so, you also know we will experience dehydration. And on top of that, our blood will become thin. Our blood is not pure solid, our blood is not pure liquid. It is made up of liquid and solid. Liquid part means plasma, it contains water, salt, protein, and solid parts means erythrocyte, lymphocytes, platelets, etc. So our blood become thin and it may lead to high risk of blood clots and harder functioning of cardiovascular system. Means our heart will have to function rigorously, it will find difficulty to function and it may lead to heart attack. The whole cycle is that outside the temperature is cold, our blood vessel get constricts, frequent urination, loss of liquids from our body. If we will not drink much water, lead to dehydration, blood gets thin, then we will experience blood clots and harder functioning of cardiovascular system. So yes, this cold weather can be a cause of heart attack. The second point is that in elder people we have seen that their skin is loose, they have loose skin. It simply means that the fat under the skin become thin as they are aging. So as the outside temperature drops down, their internal body function gets stressed, their metabolic process gets slows down. So we have to take extra precaution of elder peoples and small kids because this cold temperature can cause extra mucus production, cough. That's why. And the people who are suffering from heart diseases, respiratory problems like asthma, they have also to take the extra precautions. You all know what are the precautions. Simply wear a cap, wear warm clothes, wear hand gloves and wear a socks. Now you will say that आपने तो नहीं पहना है, but let me tell you, my room is well heated, so don't worry. You all know to follow all these simple precautions. So it's my humble request to all of you, rather than just enjoying this cold weather, just get known to all the scientific terms and few of them I have told you now. So yes, please take all the precautions and be safe. Have a productive day ahead and live a happy life. Thank you.